Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. This Tahoe is featured in the High Country trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as heated and vented front seats, heated second row captain's chairs, a power folding third row bench seat, a panoramic sunroof, Google Assistant with navigation, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, as well as front and rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, a 360-degree camera, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, below power folding mirrors, power windows, and our driver's seat memory. We have some storage as well as our Bose speaker in the rest of the door. Just inside the vehicle to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic park brake, lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start, controls for our 120 volt plugs, traction control, downhill assist, as well as our 360-degree view camera. Heads-up display also there. Below it, our transfer case settings, as well as our mode select, and our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have power controls with our lumbar assist. You can see the seat here finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our fully digital display cluster. Down on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster. Moving just to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our shifting controls, as well as push-to-start ignition. In the center, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM. Phone connection, we have our Google Maps, as well as Google Assistant and our Play Store. You can also see our 360-degree view cameras with a front and rear view. Below that, we have our two vents, hazard lights, as well as a storage space on the passenger sides. Below it, some more controls for our infotainment system. We have our tri-zone climate control with our sync, heated and vented driver, as well as passenger seat, rear climate on and off in the bottom. Then we have our USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Wireless charging pad, our two cup holders with storage. You can see our key here as well. On our keys, we have our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, our window in our power tailgate, as well as an alarm system. Center console, also finished in leather. Storage up top. Inside, we have some vinyl finished storage. Moving to the passenger seat, it is also finished in our jet black leather and is powered with lumbar and heated and vented. Fully digital controlled rear view mirror. Can adjust our settings on it, including our zoom level, as well as our brightness. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, controls for our tilt sliding, as well as our screen for our sunroof. Power sliding third seats with our controls for our power tailgate in the middle. Then we have our universal garage door opener. And lastly, our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the rear of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have an alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles with chrome accents, a black assist step with chrome accents across the bottom, as well as our chrome roof rails. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle, quad chrome exhaust tips. We have our Tahoe and our black Chevrolet bow tie. Opening into the rear of the vehicle, we have a power tailgate. Inside the back, we have power folding 60-40 split bench seating. You can see our summer mats. We also have some storage underneath. On the passenger side, we have our fold functions for our rear seats. You can also see a 120 volt plug. Lastly, to close the rear of the vehicle, we have our button on the left-hand side or our handle on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as our power locks, and some storage in the rest of the door, as well as a Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the front two seats and our back of our center console, we have two cup holders with some storage, tri-zone climate control with heated second row captain's chairs. You can also see we have two USB-Cs for charging, as well as a 120 volt plug. Looking at the seats in the second row, we can see we have just the two in a jet black cloth. You can see underneath we can slide it forward or fold the chair down to make some access into the third row. Third row, we have a 60/40 power folding split bench seat. On either side, we have a cup holder with storage, as well as a USB-C for charging. We can see it's the same on the passenger side. And as mentioned before, we have power fold that we can access through either the front or the back of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.